we have this very interesting question from numbers. So let's see how to solve this. We are given a variable n which is equals to 10 raised to power 20 minus 20. We need to find the sum of digits of n. So first of all, what is 10 raised to power 20? 10 raised to power 20 is 1, and we will be writing how many zeros? We will be writing these zeros 20 times. How many zeros are there? There are 20 zeros, 20 times. Yes, and we need to subtract 20 from this huge number. Now, if we subtract 20 from this huge number, 0 minus 0 is 0, and we will borrow 1 from the left side. We will get 10 minus 2, 8. And how many 9s will come here? How many 9s will come here? Please think. If we borrow from the left hand side, how many 9s will come? The number of 9s will be, see, there are 20 times these zeros are coming, and we have already 2 digits with us out of 20. That means we will be left with 18 times 9. Yes, 9 will come 18 times. 18 times 9 and 2 digits these. So 20 times in total. So we need to find the sum of digits. Okay, so let's find the sum of digits. That means 9 plus 9 plus 9. How many times? We need it 18 times. Correct? So that means 9 times 18, which will give us 162. But still, our answer is not complete because we have added these 18 nines, but we are left with 8 and 0 as well. So our final answer will be 162 plus 8 plus 0, which will give us 170. So our final answer is 170. This will be the sum of digits of n. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Do not forget to comment as well.